Hi everyone, today I will show you how to feed the sea otter in Heartopia and quickly increase your bond level with it. First, just go to the fishing village, especially on this spot, these locations. Just go to the locations, and then before feeding it, just you can check the weather. The sea otter's favorite weather is rainy or rainbow, and then I recommend you feeding during these conditions will because it will boost the bond faster. And then next just prepare its favorite foods. Its favorite foods are sea shrimps and then oriental shrimps and mussel. You can give one type or alternate between two foods and then this will make leveling the bond easier and more efficient. Just tap on the tube and then just feed it like this and then just tap on feed like this. After feeding it regularly, sometimes you will receive random rewards, but these rewards usually appears at 6 a.m. So don't forget to check every morning. And okay, that's it. Easy way to be friend with the sea otter and farm extra rewards in Heartopia. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.